Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best gas grill on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Megamaster Gas Grill. The Megamaster 2-burner gas tabletop grill is coming to your backyard. It comes with a side table and a storage compartment to store your grilling utensils. Built with a strong powder-coated steel frame, this outdoor grill is both lightweight and easy to carry. The grill heats up quickly and evenly with the help of the adjustable thermostat. It is easy to clean, lightweight and easy to carry. The Megamaster Gas Grill is a tabletop gas grill that features a porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grate and a lid-mounted temperature gauge. This little BBQ grill that is perfect for use in parks, camping, riving, your patio or backyard. The grill has a single stainless steel burner that puts out up to 10,000 BTUs of cooking power. The tabletop size of the grill makes it easy to take on picnics or tailgating parties. The grates are fully removable for easy cleaning, and the grill includes a side burner for cooking. Number 4. Char-Broil Gas Grill. The Char-Broil Classic 280 boasts features usually only found in high-end grills. It features a sturdy cabinet design with locking doors and a hinged shelf that folds down for easy access to the gas tank and front controls. For added convenience, a front-mounted thermometer with a built-in hinged lid allows for checking the grill's temperature at a glance. The porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates absorb heat to deliver searing heat for steaks, burgers, and other delicious foods. The lid rack makes it simple to rest a lid on the grill, and the warming rack provides more space for warming foods in the delicious sunshine. This Char-Broil Gas Grill Model 280 is simple and easy to use, with a push-button ignition, piezo lighter and a side burner for warmer. The Char-Broil grill includes a removable grease cup, a stainless steel hose and a side burner with a high-pressure regulator. This grill Model 280 features a chrome-plated brass burner tube, a stainless steel burner tube and a stainless steel tank guard. Number 3. Permasteel Gas Grill. The Permasteel 3-burner gas grill pedestal style, 30,000 total BTUs black, is a beautiful grilling machine that is equipped with cast iron cooking grates, a removable warming rack, foldable sides and a convenient tool holder. It is made for durability, with a rust-resistant powder-coated steel tube frame and a premium-grade cast iron grilling grate. A total of 30,000 BTUs means you can grill at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be used on a patio, balcony or backyard. The grill measures 40 inches in height and comes with a 12-inch diameter cooking surface. It weighs 41.5 pounds. It also comes with a separate side burner that's just perfect for your less intense grilling needs. Made from cast iron, the cooking grates are made of non-stick material, allowing you to grill and fry with reckless abandon. And the best part of all? It's easy to clean up. The grill comes with a porcelain enamel finish that also makes it easy to wipe clean. The grill also features a tilt-out grease tray and even a thermometer, so you can check the internal temperature of your meats. Add some meat to the grill, throw a few beers in a cooler, and party like a rock star. Number 2. American Gourmet Gas Grill. The American Gourmet 463,773,717 Char-Broil Classic 363-burner liquid propane gas grill black offers outstanding performance and easy use, with a classic design and shiny finish. This grill features a cast iron cookbox and body, a stainless steel lid and a classic black finish. It has a 360-degree flavorizer bar, a warming rack and 3 burners. The grill has 438 SQ of primary cooking space and 133 SQ of warming rack space. It features push-button ignition and fold-down legs. The porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grate offers even heat distribution and allows you to sear your food quickly. Features a removable grease tray to catch fats and oils so they don't fall on your deck. The large wheels make it easy to move around, and the side tables are removable. It has side burners that offer you ultimate flexibility. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates allow for even and thorough heating, while the 475 SQ total cooking space provide extra room to grill. The hood is extra tall to help keep the grease drippings off the top while still covering all 3 burners, while the cast aluminum lid is built to last. Number 1. Cuisinart Gas Grill. The Cuisinart CGG 306 grill has professional-style cooking power and an attractive stainless steel body that weighs approximately 30% less than traditional grills. It's equipped with 2 professional-style 20,000 BTU burners and outfitted with a powerful flare-up burner that warms up in just 15 seconds. This portable grill is great for everything from appetizers to entrees and desserts. The convenient side burner allows you to prepare side dishes or other food, while the main grill is preheating. The heavy-duty porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grate provides superior heat retention and even cooking. The CGG 306 comes with a removable porcelain-coated cast iron warming rack that sits above the main cooking grate so you can keep food warm without overcooking. The stainless steel side tables provide a place to set your utensils and food. The grill also includes a side shelf for food preparation and a grease tray for easy cleanup. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.